Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving IISER Aptitude Test Paper 2025 solutions, and we have started with question 1. So let's see how we can solve this one. So here we are being provided with how many 3-digit number divisible by 5 are there in no digits are repeated. So here we have to understand the divisibility rule. So a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit, yes, you are correct, is either 0 or 5. So let's split the cases based on the last digit. Okay, so here case 1 is what? That the last digit is 0. And what is the case 2? Yes, the last digit is 5. So now when the last digit, case 1, the last digit is 0. So then suppose it's a 3-digit number, okay, 0. So then hundreds digit, like we have done ones, tens, hundreds digit can be from 1 to 9, it can be anything excluding 0. So how many options I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options I am having. Now coming to tens digit. So the tens digit can be any digit except the hundreds digit, and which we have not selected, 0. So then how many options I am left with? 8 options. So count for case 1, it's 9 multiplied by 8, it's 72. Okay, now case 2. So here case 2 is last digit is 5. Okay, so now again a 3-digit form, 5 will be on the last digit. So hundreds digit will be, it can be from 1 to 9 excluding 5. So how many options? Again 8 options. Okay, and tens digit, it can be any digit, the 100 digit and the 5, also 8 options. So then here if I count, then count will be 8 multiplied by 8, 64. So then what is the total count? Priorly we have counted 72. 72 plus 64, 136. So my correct option A. Best of luck students. If you have any explanation regarding any questions, you can always ask on the provided number.